Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn off the car engine. Lift the wiper blade arm up until it blocks in the upper position. Using your thumbs, put pressure on the blade in the direction of the windscreen. Shift everything slightly to the left. Take off the blades. Pivot the hook of the wiper arm until it's perpendicular with the wiper. Slot the blade onto the arm through the space on the right. Hook the blade onto the U of the arm and pull it towards you to clip it in place. Put the arm back down onto the windscreen without releasing it. Pull the wiper blade arm up until it blocks in the upper position. Turn the blade 45 degrees, then put pressure on it with your thumbs. With a new blade, do the same operation, but backwards this time. Apply pressure towards you using your fingers. Operation completed.